Most people who have trouble sleeping are suffering from the negative effects of electronic pollution. There have been studies done to show that turning off your Wi-Fi and cell phones when you sleep can help with insomnia. However, not everyone can truly shut off all the electronic pollution in their environment. What if you live in an apartment and your neighbor has Wi-Fi? What if your family members keep their cell phones turned on in another room? What about all the cell phone towers, satellites, and antennas in your neighborhood? You can't turn those off, and they still beam into your bedroom while you're trying to sleep. Here's the solution and how it works. Our sleeping pod is an Orgonite composite that is a tool used to create a shield around your body to stop all forms of electronic pollution that is keeping you awake. When you are being bombarded with artificial electronic signals, it constantly stimulates your brain waves, which in turn prevents your body from producing melatonin, which is the hormone made by your pineal gland that helps to regulate your sleeping and waking cycles. When you shield your body from artificial electronic stimulation, your brain then starts to create melatonin and you fall asleep naturally. The best part of this is you don't need any pills with harmful side effects, and when you sleep naturally, you will experience a very deep and restful sleep with better dreams. You will have more energy during the day and an overall increased well-being, balanced and more positive emotions, and a healthier body. The Orgonite sleeping pod is handmade using a blend of quartz, shungite brass, and iron oxide powders encased in an epoxy resin. Orgone is a word used to describe the life force energy which permeates all of nature and living beings. Orgonite is a natural technology created to emit neutralizing orgone energy that can be measured as negative ions in the atmosphere. We've made this orgone energy sleeping pod with a sleek, round design so that it feels comfortable to hold against you while you sleep. And it comes in a soothing, tranquil blue color. We've been testing these pods ourselves, and I can say that me and my partner are both sleeping better than we have in years.